So welcome back to another tutorial. This tutorial is just basically to show you how you can enhance your 2D from something like this to something like this. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing, and want you guys to subscribe to the channel because it helps with the YouTube algorithm, and everything is going to be cool. So let's just jump into the video. Okay, so basically I'm going to be showing you with this single drawing. The first thing I can actually do to enhance it is to make sure everything is cool and making sense, you understand. So you can actually click on, is it visible? No, come to this graphic display option. This can actually, you can just leave it. For this you can click on the shade, check the apply. If it's really cool with your taste, you can come to the shadow, click on shadow, and then click on the show ambient shadow. You can actually apply that if it's making sense pertaining to what you actually want. And this is show edges, is gonna be like showing the edges of your the elevations. So you can actually click it for hidden. You can actually click on apply, and you actually have something like this, but it's not really like go to your taste. Then you can change it to this shaded. Click on apply, still cool. Click on this, then click on this, apply. Now it's coming out. Okay, so this sketchy line is just like gonna be like giving much details to your drawing. So this extension, you can really like change it to 3. You understand what it means? Like it's gonna be like your own. Can you actually see that thing that actually changed? So that's just it. For this, I don't really have like more thing on that. For the light, you understand, just for you to the sun or anything, click on apply. Boom. You can actually say that if you actually want to increase it, click on apply, then it's now light. So let's just increase the light a little bit. So that's cool. The ambient, okay, still cool. Let's take it a little bit forward. Okay, and the shadows, let's drop it down a little bit. Okay, let's bring the ambient up. It's coming somehow. So that's it. You can actually go with this, and it's really looking good. Close the drop down. If you actually want to change the background, if you have an image, anything gradient, that's what I really like to use this. So if this is actually what you want to do, so you can click on OK, click on any of the things you want to do, and let's run a little bit to make it pop out. So you really have this new sketch out that you can actually use for your presentation. But if you don't really like the way the black is, just go back to the graphic display and off the background. So this is the background. Instead of clicking on the gradients, rather click on none, then you apply it. So you actually have something like this. So the extra details that you can really add to make it look good is literally this. Let me show you what I'm trying to say. So go to the plan, which is the natural ground floor level. So we have something like this. This is literally the back. So we can just click on a wall. Let's try and create similar. That's CS. Sorry for that. That's my phone ringing. Damn, can't really control it. Let's let's actually just draw a line from here to here. Okay, that's cool. And going back to the view, where's the arrow? To the east. Sorry, literally a mistake. So let's actually go back to the plan. This is the back. WA for the wall. Can I just come here and draw a line? Just draw a wall. Let's make it here. Escape on the keyboard, then you can actually go back to your view, and you have something like this, literally still making sense. So you can come to the natural ground floor level and import some other components. So you go to your architecture, then click on components, and you can actually model. When we're modeling, we are going to be like importing a model. So let's import things that are going to be like making the drawing look. So looking for a nice place to to place this, you can just press space bar to change the orientation of the car, and boom, we have something like that. So we can still literally go back to the east, and check what you're doing. So you have something like this, still making sense. If you actually want to import plants, go to the natural, that's CM, I think really that's correct. Okay, so come to this and then click on anything. You can just edit. Okay, let's close it. Let's do it this way. Click on this, then you can click on plants, then edit type. No, it hasn't changed. Okay, so click on edit type, and render appearance. Click on all. I literally basically love this. So let me show you the one I use most times. That tree, it's very cool. So click on OK, but I haven't increased the height of the tree. So you can just come to the back and place some, like just 4, and go back to the edit type, and change the height of, you can just change it to something like 7 meters. Okay, so apply, then you click on OK. So you can click on escape, then go to your tool, to the this one, and then we have something like this. So just to give extra details, and if you see that is like not really making sense, you can just quit, like delete it, select and delete. If it's not cool, the one at the back, you can just select this and delete. You can actually select this and delete, and you can even still import some other things that can add color to it. So you can literally basically come to the component, load family. So let me just load something in. So just go to the natural ground floor level and click on your component, that's CM, that's component, and you can just place some plants. You just place like 2, if not too much, and just to make it look good, let's just have 1 here. So you can escape to opt out of the current mode, and go to the east view and check what you're doing. Okay, still making sense, but not really on the ground floor. So let's select it, right click, select all instance, this, and visible in view. So you can actually now change the level. Okay, it's literally on the natural ground floor, so it's still okay. So that's it. You can actually add a lot of things. So if you actually want me to make tutorial on that, kindly comment down below. So I'm gonna be doing a new tutorial on that. Let's just let this, since it's not really making sense. I think I saw, so still really like a little bit good like this. Do you like it? Maybe. So I want you to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and don't mind my chair and my mic, everything is still gonna be cool thank every one of you, the 1,200 plus 202 subscribers. Really enjoy what you guys supporting me. Thank you.